guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here today. So first of all, Happy New Year, Happy 2021. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope this year treats you well, because I know 2020 was not the best year for everyone. So today's video is going to be a review on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and with 128 gigabytes. So this is the box. I know most of you may know how the box looks. I did do an unboxing for this if you want to go watch it. It has done so well for my channel and I'm so grateful. So if you want to go watch that and support me. So I've had this phone for 2 weeks now, about 2 weeks. And today I will be sharing the things that I like and the things I don't like so much about the phone. So let's get straight onto the video. So this video is going to be sectioned into 4 parts. So every timestamp is going to be in the description box if you wanna skip to a part if you already know something. First, let's start with the outside, so how it looks, the size, everything. So I've gotten a few questions about the size of the phone. So to give you like the exact size of the screen, the display, it's 6.7 inches and the resolution is the one that I'm putting right here. So for me, the size of this phone is actually perfect because I have longer hands, so the phone sits better when I grab it and everything. So personally for me, I do like bigger phones. But if you're thinking of which phone to get, if the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max, I would suggest you to look at your older phones and just analyze what phones did you have. So if they were smaller phones or larger phones, and kind of recognize which size you are most towards to. So to give you a little bit of reference, my previous phone was the iPhone 11 that was a tiny bit bigger than the new 12 Pro. So if you had the iPhone 11 or if you have the iPhone 11 and you're thinking of upgrading like I did, the 12 Pro Max, like I'm showing you right here, it has quite a bit of a difference when we're talking about the size. So any questions related about the size, I would suggest look at your old phones, look at the specs, and look at reviews on YouTube comparing different phones and their sizes. Okay, part number 2 is going to be the texture and the feel of the phone. So the structure of the new phones, like the 12 series, they are all like kind of boxy on the sides. Instead of rounded like the 11 series, they are more boxy, if that makes any sense. And personally, I completely love this. I noticed that it's easier to grab like the phone with the new structure rather than my iPhone 11. Since it was kind of a rounded structure, for me it was very hard to handle, like to grab and to write. It would slide off and it was kind of annoying. Okay, now talking about kind of the feel and what the phone is made of. So the back of the phone is made out of Gorilla Glass and it's very kind of soft, and the sides are made of stainless steel. I do have to say that the fingerprints do stay on the frame. So let me try to get you to see. But for me, it's not a big deal because I mostly have a case on. I don't really see that on my phone. So part number 3 is going to be the pros and the cons. Well, part number 3 is going to be the pros and part number 4 is going to be the cons. So part number 3, let's start with the pros of the phone. I have a few pros for this phone because if you can't already tell, I am completely in love with this phone. So I have everything written down here, so if you see me looking down, I'm so sorry. I hope that doesn't bother you. So the first thing is the boxy feel to it, like the rectangular structure. I completely love that. It's one of my favorite things of the phone, really. The next thing is the design of the phone, like the stainless steel makes the phone look so like classy and elegant in my opinion. I just love that. The next thing is that the camera, the portrait mode, it's very different from my iPhone 11, or I feel it very different, and I think it's so much better than my old phone. So this is something that you should consider. It has a beautiful portrait mode. The next thing is that this phone has an insane battery life. Like my old phone, I don't know if it was I didn't have enough space or what, but my iPhone 11 ran out of battery very quickly. But comparing the battery life of my iPhone 11 with this phone, this is insane. Like, the phone has lasted me like 2 days without charging. Another thing that I wasn't expecting at all is the audio quality. So literally I am watching YouTube videos on my iPhone and it's like I have a huge speaker in my ear. And maybe for some people this is not what you want or obnoxious, but for me it has been a game changer. It's so cool watching YouTube videos, watching Netflix, because you hear it so well. So that is another pro for the phone. So talking about the camera, it has a ultra wide lens, and I did take a photo with the lens. This phone has 4K video with the front camera and with the back camera. Okay, part 4, now for the cons. As we all may know, the box does not come with a charger. So this is something that kind of bothered me. This is kind of a unfortunate feature that I didn't really like. Another con is that the Pro Max can be a little bit too big for some of you. So make sure to make research of these sizes. Okay, the next thing is that the only thing that I did not like about the design of the phone is that the gold color doesn't scream gold to me. Like, the way that the color of the back is made, I think it's like a very toned down gold. Okay, something that I've been struggling a bit with the screen size of the phone is that some apps are not upgraded to these screen sizes. For example, when I had the phone and started using TikTok, the settings on the bottom were like cut out, so I couldn't press the settings. It was very annoying until I found out that you have to upgrade the app, and now it's resolved. I upgraded TikTok and now I can press these settings. So besides that issue with the apps, I haven't had any other technical issues like bugging or weird pixels popping up or anything on the phone. So overall, I am so extremely happy about my purchase. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, if you like this type of content, please subscribe down below, become part of the fam, and help me reach 2,000 subscribers. And also press the notification bell so you don't miss another video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
In my world, I don't worry, darling, I just smile.